friends, today I am sharing a quick project using this adorable surface that I found. How stinking cute is that? So I'm going to do a quick bit of chalking and add some flowers, and this is going to be a fun and quick project. I will have kits available for these. I'm going to be using, let's see, what is this transfer called? Hippity Hop. So it's a 12 by 18 transfer, and it has 6 different images. So it has Somebody Loves You, Hoppy Easter, Hippity Hop, which you can see I've already used that, Chirp, Spring Has Sprung, and Hop to It. So I think for this project, I should just use this one since I've already used it, Hippity Hop. I actually think I'm gonna use that. I originally was thinking I was gonna use Somebody Loves You, but let's just stick with the Hippity Hop because on my last project, I only used the hop. So, and then today I'm gonna be using, let's see, this is Sunset Drive. This is a new On Vogue color. So in the kits that I will put together, we don't have paste singles in this color. So if you want to swap out for this color, we can do a price adjustment for that if you want. Or in the kits, you can have your choice of Peachy Keen, which is a little bit lighter than that, or Guava, which is a little bit darker. So your choice in those kits, but you can, if you join my VIP group, Olive Street VIPs, you'll get the details for that there. So let's get started. I've already fuzzed this transfer, even though I haven't used the top part, I did fuzz it. So what did I do with my squeegee? Here it is. So we're just gonna put that a little bit lower than center because I'm gonna add some flowers on the top here. So just gonna, now you can wax your surface. I found these surfaces, I don't really have a problem with chalking on them, but it does help protect your transfer. You can choose to do that if you like, but like I said, with these ones, I don't seem to really have much of a problem. So I'm just gonna squeegee my little Hippity Hop. I'm not gonna do the eggs, I just want the saying. Oops, almost forgot the little edge of that H. And then I'm gonna squeegee off all the excess. Easy peasy. Here, let me pull this up here so you can see it. Look at that. Oh, we got a little, fix that one right there. Oh, that's a lump in the wood. So that's nothing I can do anything about that. So, okay, so I'm gonna set my transfer aside so I can wash that. And then we're gonna dry this real quick. Just wanna make sure that's nice and dry before I start messing with the rest of that. It looks like there's a little bump in the wood right there, and that's what caused that, but that is totally okay. Let's see if my hot glue gun is heated up. Okay, so I think my glue gun is heated up enough. I have these fun little handmade felt flowers. I love felt flowers. So I'm just going to arrange these along the top. So cute. I'm just gonna glue them on. Go. So cute. Fun and easy project. You could also add ribbon or whatever you want, but there you have it, our little Hippity Hop bunny. Like I said, kits will be available in my Facebook VIP group, Olive Street VIPs. Thanks for watching.